Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to add your high school to your Instagram profile using your PC. With this recent update, it's easier than ever to share your educational background. So, let's get started. First, the first step is to open your Instagram account on your preferred web browser. Simply navigate to www.instagram.com and log in. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile. To do this, tap your profile picture, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, we need to edit your profile. Look for the Edit Profile button, which you'll find right next to your profile name. Click on it, and the edit options will pop up. Next, it's time to add your high school details. Find the section labeled Bio. Click on this area to enter your information. Here, you can type the name of your high school. Make sure to double-check the spelling for accuracy, as this is how you will be represented on the platform. Once you're done typing your high school in your bio, it's important to save your changes. Scroll down, and you'll see the Submit button. Click on it, and just like that, your high school is now part of your Instagram profile. And there you have it. Updating your profile with your high school on Instagram is a simple process, and it's a great way to connect with classmates old and new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.